You see this? This isn't a pool, it's the swamp monster's lair. It's a $200 disaster. It's what happens when you get a bottle of liquid hope from the part-timer at the pool store. Your pool has become the depressed teenager. It's murky, nobody wants to interact with it, and it's just sitting there swirling its own problems. You're failing because you are buying the wrong weapon for your specific fight. It's the fine dust storm versus the leaf and ash apocalypse. And if you bring the wrong tool, you lose. First, meet the pompous dating show host. This is your Clarifier. His entire job is to find all the lonely microscopic particles, the dust, the pollen, and force them to mingle. He's a chemical matchmaker, creating big, obvious clumps so your filter can finally see them and throw them out. If your problem is just daily, milky dust, the dating show host is your guy. It's maintenance. Now, the host doesn't work alone. He has a partner, the exhausted studio audience wrangler. This is your filter system. This guy is just trying to get to his lunch break. He's slow, he's tired, and frankly, he only deals with obvious problems. When the dating show host shoves a clump of 10 rowdy particles at him, the wrangler finally sees them. He grabs that whole group and shoves them out the emergency exit. This is your backwash. This system is great for low-level problems. But when a real riot breaks out, heavy ash, tannin bombs, the dating show host gets his tuxedo torn. The audience wrangler is overwhelmed. They are useless. You're flushing money down the drain. When you have a riot, you don't call a TV host. You call the riot cop. This is your Flocculant. This is not maintenance. It's a chemical flashbang. The riot cop doesn't clump. He storms in, screams, "Everybody on the floor!" and body slams everything, ash, algae, gunk, to the bottom of the pool. In 12 hours, your water is crystal clear. But the floor is a post-apocalyptic wasteland. And here's the catch. He makes the arrests, but you have to drag the bodies out. You must vacuum all that sludge to waste. It's hard work. It takes time. You lose water. It's the nuclear option. So stop guessing. One guy is a matchmaker for a party. The other is a SWAT team for a disaster. Fighting a daily dust storm? You need the dating show host. Staring at a swamp of ash? Call the riot cop. The links to the right weapons are below. Stop treating the symptom and start fighting the war. And subscribe.